This is Simplicity 9596, and I'm doing view C, the T, and I'm making it out of this jersey knit. And I have completed everything on this little top with the serger. It's the back. The side seams. Not at the shoulder seams, I'm sorry. I have to do the side seams. They're basted and ready to go. Hem the bottom and the sleeves, and this top will be done. So let me tell you a little bit about this pattern. So guys, I sewed this little top together. It's a knit top. It's jersey knit. It's navy blue and white. I've got it pretty much together. I've stitched it up on my serger, practicing. So now I'm on step 6. And let's go from here. I'm getting ready to put that label in the back of the collar. Hand stitching. This top is view C, and it's for knits only. You have your pick a knit ruler on the back of your envelope, and this is the layout. You only have 3 pieces, and it's labeled very easy, and it is really and truly easy. Remember to use your ballpoint or a stretch needle. And here are some of the things they're saying about knits. You can zigzag using a narrow zigzag stitch or one of your stretch stitches built into many conventional machines. Or you can use straight stitches, stretching fabrics like that as you sew. And here are some of your terms used in the directions. We're familiar with the stitching a 1/4 inch from the raw edge, and you're understitching. And that's it for this pattern. Simply the best sewing techniques for knits. So sewing with knits is not as hard as a lot of people may think. I took a poll with which is your favorite, woven or knits, and the poll showed that most people prefer sewing with woven, but knits are not as hard as you may think. Just looking at that little project I did with this shirt, it was simple and easy, and using this serger or zigzag stitch makes your project go faster. This is my experience to it. So if you want to sew with knits, don't be afraid. Choose a small project and practice. Choose your stitches or on your sewing machine for stretch stitch, and use your manufacturer booklet that comes with your machine, or a serger if you have one, and you'll be okay. So I'm at the end of the completion of this project, and I think it went really well. As a matter of fact, I'm on step 7. And step 7 is telling me to press up the hem on lower edge of sleeve and top. Stitch or zigzag a 1/4 of an inch from raw edges, and the top will be completed. Let's do that now. So the seam allowance on this top is 3/4 of an inch hem allowance, and it's also at the edge at the bottom of the blouse, or the hem allowance on this particular shirt. Okay, referring back under your sewing directions and simply the best sewing techniques for knits, this is located on your pattern guide. Look at the bottom notation here. Raw edges of hem can be left raw or finished with a serger. So not only do you can use the serger or zigzag stitch, you do not have to finish your edges with knit fabric. So that's a plus. Let's move on. For example, this is a sweater. This is a sweater knit fabric here. I did not finish the edges of the sweater knit, but it's a heavier weight fabric than that jersey knit, and this looks great on. So with the jersey knit, it's thinner, so I'm gonna finish the edges of that sleeve and hem. See how that lays? It looks just like a sweater, and it looks like the edges has already been finished because of the type of knit it is. So let's move on. This is our first winner. Congratulations, Ruth. I appreciate you. And the second winner is Sharon Lane. Congratulations, you are the second winner for the 700 mark of my journey on YouTube. Thanks, I truly appreciate you. Congrats. Okay, so here is the shirt. This is the hem, which directions are calling for a 3/4 of an inch hem at the bottom. But like I was explaining before, you don't have to use a hemline as they say in your directional guide. So, but in any case, I am going to hem mines a 1/4 of an inch, 3/4 of an inch at the bottom. And as you can see, the sleeve, I've already did my hemline with these pins. And this is your shirt. So and here's the neckline with the neckline band. And there's no need to be afraid of knits. Knits are simple and easy, as you will see throughout the video when I construct this little top. And it was so simple and very, very easy to put together. Very easy. There's your neck. Simple, easy, constructed shirt. 3 pieces, front, back, and collar band. And remember, stay tuned and check the community board for announcements. And please give some comments below about what do you think about knits. What's your favorite fabric, woven or knits? Let me know in the comment, and let me know about this shirt. How do you feel about it? Was it easy? Have you ever sewn with knits? Try it. So, upcoming is my 800 mark towards my goal of reaching 1,000 for YouTube. So, there will be a giveaway for that. Now, let me know in the comments if you're interested in that giveaway. And my email address will be included at the end in the comment section of this video. And I appreciate you watching and coming and hanging out with me. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the videos. And please leave comments. I truly, truly enjoy interacting and talking and getting your ideas and suggestions and how you feel about things on the videos. I appreciate you all. Thanks. See you in the next video. Bye.